guys, welcome back to another video about this game. I've been trying to hit this. You know, I'm not going to keep doing it. I'm not going to keep saying it. Oh, blue card. Anyways, let's go. Doesn't matter, bro. Oh. Yeah, I didn't get any damage. Hold on. Well, I'm going to play this game. Gen 7. Hold on. Okay. I said okay. Alright, I'm doing the race. What happens if I crash? Line up. Oh, okay. The crash is so good. It's not bad. Not bad after all. I actually like it. Line up. Okay, I always have to skip before I type in. Luckily, I can always remember that. And one more thing. So you guys might know Spinel when I made a video. Well, guess what? I'm gonna make a video, but different very soon. And so I'm doing a race, and I'm the 14. I'm 4, right? Alright, I'm going. I like the new update from this game. The reason why I do is because with the flipped vehicle, and they also have a Gen 7 pug player. And watch the damage. I don't want to crash right now. So. Oh. Yeah, you guys might saw that. Alright. I'm ready to crash. Oh. The crash is not bad. Look. Why is this game too realistic? Look at the clouds. Carlton. Let me spawn in. And guys, by the way, if you see me in a game, you can say hi to me and try to add me a friend request. Cause I lost a friend that added me a friend request. A friend just unfriended me, and one fan can add me a friend request. One big thing. So if you're a big fan of me, you can add me a friend and stuff. Let's continue doing the race. Wait, who's in first place? Wolf! I'm in first place now. Yeah, you guys saw me. I'm about to take the lead. I know I'm slowing myself down. It's not because I'm trying to hit this dude. No call chain. Yeah, just merge. Just merge. Just merge! Bruh! What was that for? No. No! I almost died. Right, stop. Stop. Get saved. You ain't dare. You ain't dare, like... You ain't dare stun me. Oh my gosh. Look what happened. Oh! Oh! Oof. That was one big crash. I don't know if this car is available for me to get out of. Carlton, yes. Yeah, I'm gonna say that my car is dead. But it's not that. It's not dead. Look. I can still move it. Oh my gosh, the back. The back though. It's dead. Like forever dead. Alright, I'm still the 31. Ready? I'm ready. Set, oh. Go. That's cheating. Sheesh. Why did this happen? Wait, who? Hold on. Why is there a lot of things just making sounds on my phone? It's actually annoying. Anyways, let's say redo. I'm sorry. Oh, dang. That's a crazy part. That was a big one. If I crash, I'm so mad. Ready, set, go. Go, go, go. I'm in second. Oh wait, now I'm in first. Wait, he's gonna do that on me, of course. Why, bro? Bro, chill. That's what happens when you just hurt me. Let's reset the car. If I crash, it's crazy. Then I have to end up this video. If I crash, then the video ends. This is the last chance. Please don't put me in the wall. No. No. Alright, I have to end up this video. Peace out.